Click New to start adding a new employee profile. Begin by entering the employee's full name here. Add any alternate names or nicknames for easier identification. Fill in the employee's job title to clarify their role. Enter the company name associated with this profile. Specify the employee's classification for HR tracking. Insert the company email address for official communications. Enter a personal email address to enhance contact options. Enter the company phone number to streamline communication. Add a personal phone number for direct contact. Toggle the eye icon to reveal or hide the hire date for privacy. Log the date when the employee started for future reference. Set the employment status to reflect current onboarding progress. Specify the date the employee left if applicable. Enter the employee's birth date for compliance and records. Click the eye icon to show or hide sensitive birth date details. Keep age and eligibility details up to date by filling the birth date. Ensure accurate records by adding the birth date information. Enter or edit the license number for credential tracking. Choose the appropriate MLO status for licensing accuracy. Set the license expiration date to stay ahead of renewals. Assign or update the system username for secure system access. Appoint a role to define employee responsibilities within the company. Assign a recruiter for seamless onboarding support. Select a recruiter to facilitate employee guidance and mentorship. Pick a state license for location-specific compliance. Update the LC status to streamline state licensing records. Add his home address. Select the country for accurate address information. Add the zip code for precise location details. Provide an emergency contact for added peace of mind. Add an emergency phone number to ensure rapid communication. Upload your personal documents here to keep employee files organized and secure. Upload important agreement documents to centralize employee records. Upload income-related documents to maintain complete employment records. The Event tab lets you record all employee updates. Click Add Event. Add anything about your employee and simply save it. You can easily track which employee uploaded or used each flyer. You can add the employee's picture from there. Once you've entered all the employee information, simply click Save, and it will be stored in the Employee tab. Go back to the Employee tab to see your employee. You can email your employee instantly using the email option. Send SMS messages directly to your employee from here. Use the Edit icon to update employee information. After entering the updated information, click Save and go back. Click the Ad Approval icon to review submitted ads. Click the ad you want to approve. Write your message here. You've successfully approved the ad for use. Now go back to the previous screen. That's it for the Employee tab, simple and easy.